Fucking, did they switch it? Because that wasn't fucking the thing, man. Let me test it out. These motherfuckers, if they actually said it, so you have to push this thing, that's fucking bullshit. This would change everything. Because they do that in Boston. They set these lights so you have to push them so you can just run people down and shit. They've been taking out crosswalks. They did that over the last, they took out crosswalks over the last 20 years. I think they've always done that bullshit lights. You go over to Brookline, and it's like they fucking just get your walk signals. Some places you push the damn thing and it just like gives you walk signal. And they're gonna script the traffic patterns, but they do shoot a script on your lights. Yesterday. See, all these guys are supposed to go. The old pattern, they don't go. And then those guys like take their left finally. Maybe they have another straight bunch of traffic person. But these guys end up taking their left. And when they're done, as soon as they're done, their shit, they go like, their shit goes yellow, and it's bam, as soon as it's like fucking, they get the red, you get the walk signal here. But you can't see it, you can like, maybe on the edge of that. See it, now see, here they go. So these guys get it too. Actually, you can tell because of these guys, but confirmed it over there. But, and it wasn't last time. So I hadn't fucking pushed it, man. See if we don't watch it. As soon as they're red, it should be like, bump. No. Oh god, it used to just get it. Oh motherfuckers! There's no walk signal. Oh shit, they were running the red light because they get up red on both sides. And I can fucking confirm that sometime too. I'll fucking do it right now. Motherfuckers, man, they switched it. They took away the fucking walk signal for. Oh, the motherfuckers. Fucking dirty town, man. Watch, I mean, no walk signal. Watch this shit. Watch this shit, man. Oh, you motherfuckers. Oh, you motherfuckers. Pieces of shit. I had pushed that. You heard me banging it. You heard it banging and shit. I pushed that motherfucker right there. And still there's no walk signal. Oh, these motherfuckers. Because see, the thing is, you used to get the walk signal. It was just automatic. You didn't. And now it doesn't even fucking run. It doesn't fucking work. Look, I'll push it some more. You're the motherfucker. Cocksucker, man. Dirty motherfuckers. How long has this shit been going on? Look at this. See, the thing is when, okay, so these guys turn. The thing is they get their yellow and then red. And you used to get your walk signal, right? It goes red and then you get your walk signal. But they keep going, keep running that red light and just try to run people over here. And he's always walking across, look. And I got a red. These guys are all running the light. I'll just fucking run across. See? Nothing, man. Nothing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is confirm that they have a red light at the same time. Okay? So you can just barely see it. Everyone is red. Those left turns are red. There. And I think they're the same as when these left turns are red. Yeah, just walk right across. God, man! They took this fucking signal stuff. Alright. Alright. There you go. They have green for a while. Jesus Christ. Christ, motherfuckers. Okay. There we go. Okay, so when that goes, you're gonna get these guys able to go left. Look, they can go left. They can go left. You got green arrows. You can see the green at the bottom on these to the left. Now look. And then green, green. I'll watch for this yellow. Okay, yellow. I'll just leave it on there. Red. And then the other one's red. Now I can just go fucking cross. I don't know why they're fucking doing. And there's no walk signal. No walk signal. All fucking time. You wouldn't appreciate it. Motherfuckers, man. And they act like they're doing. This is just fucking junkies. They got fucking dealers and shit. They ain't doing shit for treatment. They're just fucking making money. You know, they got that fucking people getting run down by a fucking car. Like they're just, it's just fucking, these people are monsters, man. Fuck this government. Look, I'll just keep hanging it. And watch. Okay, what I'm gonna do. I should go over and get that one too. Improve, it's just not that switch. They never had it. It's like, so it just works on the damn it doesn't just, it never, you know, had to push it. It goes anyway. It would just be automatic. Fucking disgusting, man. Motherfucker. What the fuck are they doing? Neil wants to get hit by car too. Oh, what about the scumbags? Yeah. That's the same thing. Okay, they're green. And they used to just see, these people just had to go. They never get a walk signal, so they don't get any indication of when it's proper either. They're not like me. People aren't like me. They actually don't know if this is the worst time, even if they're trying. Like, Jesus. Oh, yeah, fucker. Nothing. No walk signal. You guys see that? See what they do? See if this fucking does it. Fucking, what the hell is that supposed to be? Watch this, man. No walk signal. Fucking disgusting. Watch. Might as well. I don't think. Oh, I guess I should take a left. This shit can be kind of bad. Look at these guys. See, they don't know. There's no signal. Oh, motherfuckers. What'd you ask them? It's not. Yeah. Look, you got the green, that left, I guess. Hey, has anyone been hit here, do you know? Huh? Has anyone been hit here? Man, someone's gonna get hit, man. Alright, no signal. You guys can see that. No walk signal at orange hand. Man, no way, man. I don't know, man. There's so many. Wait, what do we do? I'm just so. Yeah, straight. They gotta go straight. Oh, that might have been where it was supposed to be. I think I have to wait for another second, do I? Oh, I don't know. How does it go? I'm gonna figure that out. Does that go? Yeah, there's no lock signal. You're gonna be banging it. See, they're corrupt motherfuckers. Yeah, I just have to go waste the time. Nobody can tell because all they got is this. There's not even a light. You got that shit over there, all that weird shit. You know, nothing. They can still stand here and they won't even fucking see it's a red light. There's fucking nothing. You can't even tell you're crossing across a red light here. Oh, these sick motherfuckers. Oh, it's half a moon. Look at that. It's just slightly before.